Tuesday morning, about 1:24. Went to sleep early so I can get some sleep and get up early in the morning so I can go check out the volcano. You want to check it out when it's dark. That way you can see the magma. Hopefully there's still some activity. It'll be a good view. So
take the next right onto Government Beach Road.
But I am looking forward to it. Hopefully get some good shots and view the beauty of God's creation. So I'm walking to the crater of the volcano. It's looking dark out here. Got my light, flashlight I bought didn't work, so I'm using my phone. Check out this volcano. Check out the activity. Hey guys, how was it?
Awesome, man.
Was it?
Well worth it.
How far is it?
2 miles from here.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. You can see the lava. The crater. You can see where lava's done damage to the road before. Well, you can see why they closed this road. Lava got to it, destroyed it. Across the crevice. I got encouraged. I see some lights up there. So some other people have already crossed it. So I'm going back. Going back. Get an up close and personal look at this volcano. Back, headed over to that viewing center, which is so far away. All right, back. Figure out how to cross this thing. How's it going?
Good, how are you doing?
How was it?
It's pretty amazing.
Okay, hey, that crevice, I turned around, man. I was headed back. I saw y'all's lights, man. Y'all encouraged me.
So
I went around.
that side.
Oh, you went that side?
Yeah, it's a little bit closer. So you go over that way?
Yeah.
I think it's a little bit closer this way.
Okay.
So just
Gotcha.
be careful.
Yeah.
And be safe, okay? There's still a few people down there, so
Yeah. Okay.
be good.
Hey, I appreciate
Take care,
it.
man.
Oh yeah. So I made it across that crevice, and I had turned around. Man, I was headed to that visitor center, which is so far away. You can see those lights over there. I don't know if you can see. Turn this light off. See those lights over there? Seeing their lights encouraged me. I was like, okay, they made it, I can make it. So I found a way across. Want to check it out. All right, getting up to the edge. Let y'all see what I see. Oh wow. Wow. I don't know if this camera is getting all of the sight that I'm seeing with my natural eyes, but wow. How's it going?
Huh?
How you doing?
Good.
Huh.
How are you?
I'm good. Yeah. I almost got to that crevice, that big crevice, man. I almost turned around. I saw y'all's lights, so y'all encouraged me to come on. Beautiful view. You been all the way around?
No, just a little.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm not sure it's not. Maybe it's dangerous.
Yeah. I'm not gonna go too far.
Yeah.
Yep. Thank you. So I'm here in Hawaii. The crater of the volcano. It erupted this past Wednesday. It's Tuesday morning, about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. When I come, it was dark, so you can see the lava. And it has not let me down. It's a beautiful view. Just trying to be safe out here. Something to see. It's beautiful, man. God's creation. Got all this lava and the magma that's down deep in the earth, man. Some of the earth is coming up. It's just awesome. And just that I have no control over this, man. This is God's creation. If it wanted to blow, it could blow right now. I've been prayerful to come and see it, and that He'll keep me safe. Glad I came. Walk on around a bit. It's crazy. It's like walking on the moon. Good stuff. Now it's time to head on back to the next adventure. Got to see the volcano. Thankful to God that I was praying for some type of activity. I had this trip planned since about 6 months. It's the beginning of the year. I know there was an eruption in December. A lot of us stopped flowing like this past March or April. So I was praying for some activity for this trip, which is in June. So had some answered prayers. Had an eruption this past Wednesday. And today is Tuesday. Safely find my way out of here. Alright, crater. We'll see you later. It is 5 o'clock. I'm headed back. Glad I came when I did. Got some good shots. And it's starting to get light now. Headed on back in. Across this destroyed road. There's the volcano back there. Crater of the volcano. So, headed back. Clouds have moved in, so got a mist on me. A little wet.